I'm now ready to rule on the question of privilege raised on June 12, 2023 for the member for Kamloops Thompson Caribou concerning an allegation of intimidation by the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of Canada. The member of Kamloops Thompson Caribou explained that during question period on Thursday, June 18, 2023, the minister sent him an email, the contents of which the member interprets as a threat to tarnish his professional reputation and his standing in the legal community. The email referred to the member reacting to a question by the member for Leeds, Grenville, Thousand Islands, and Rideau Lakes, which referenced a former Supreme Court justice. It also included the sentence, and I quote, "I will let the community know," unquote. He felt that this constituted a form of intimidation, impeding him in the performance of his duties as parliamentarian. Pour sa part,
for his part, the parliamentary secretary to the Leader of the Government in the House of Commons asserted that the member misinterpreted the minister's words. According to the parliamentary secretary, the motives imputed to the minister by the member were not based in fact and were pure speculation. He indicated that the minister had refuted the allegations, which he described as unsubstantiated. The chair takes allegations of threats or intimidation against a member seriously. House of Commons Procedure and Practice, 3rd edition, page 111, states the following concerning cases where members are obstructed, interfered with, or intimidated by non-physical means, and I quote,
d'obstruction, d'ingérence ou d'intimidation par des moyens non physiques, et je cite, dans ces décisions.
In ruling on such matters, the Speaker examines the effect of the incident or event, the effect the incident or event had on the member's ability to fulfill his or her parliamentary responsibilities. If, in the Speaker's view, the member was not obstructed in the performance of his or her parliamentary duties and functions, then a prima facie breach of privilege cannot be found. Unquote.
The chair has reviewed the arguments presented and the relevant precedents. The member for Kamloops Thompson Caribou referred to the ruling by Speaker Bosley from May 1st, 1986 on a similar matter. In that ruling, the Speaker did not conclude that the matter at hand was prima facie. As pointed out by Speaker Bosley at page 12,847 of the debates, and I quote, "Should an honourable member be able to say that something has happened which prevented him from him or her from performing functions, that he or she has been threatened, intimidated, or in any way duly influenced, there would be a case for the chair to consider. I cannot see that in the honourable member's ability to perform her parliamentary functions have been impaired in any way," unquote.
As the member knows, to find a prima facie question, the Speaker must be satisfied that the member was in some way hampered, deterred, or otherwise prevented from carrying out their parliamentary duties. In the present case, the chair is not convinced that this email exchange has impeded the member in such a way.
I do not find that there is a prima facie breach of privilege. That being said, and while not wanting to speculate about the intention behind the minister's email, the chair would invite him to reflect on his actions. I also encourage members to be courteous in their interactions with one another, as they all have a role to play in setting the appropriate tone for proceedings. I thank the members for their attention.